What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the NG Models Qatar 777 Freighter Alpha 7-B Alpha 7-Bravo Foxtrot Zulu in just the standard cargo livery. Crazy enough, I'd gotten the Phoenix Models cargo Qatar Cargo 777 in the People livery. And then right after I got that, because I'd been so desperate for a Qatar Cargo aircraft, NG releases this one and the same one, their version of it. So I decided to get this plain livery one just to have as well, and I probably will sell that other one in the future. Anyways, let's get right on into it, guys. So here's the box, looking very, very nice. Spin it around there, pretty cool, everything. So here we go, let's get right into it. Card out. Alright. Interesting packaging with the black sort of bottom or gray, whatever. Very sturdy though, which is nice. They've definitely updated and changed the packaging around, which is nice. Alrighty, there we go. Very nice. It's gonna be a quick one because there's not a whole lot to go over with this aircraft, as it's a pretty plain and simple livery, and the aircraft in general is just a cargo aircraft. So yeah, here we go, looking very, very nice overall. This mold is fantastic, the 777 mold that they've got, the 200 freighter. I mean, it's just technically a 200 LR. But here we go, here's the nose, looking really, really nice. Cockpit windows are nice and simple, looking good. Foxtrot Zulu there on the gear doors, looking very nice. And then you got the one and only door right there for the crew to get in and out. Qatar Cargo titles, nice and big, looking really, really nice there. Some Arabic, I'm guessing that says the same thing in Arabic. Engines, the GE90s, looking very, very nice there. So you can see they're not, they are solid, and it looks really good. There's great detail that's gone into those fan blades. Oh, interesting. Looks like there's a slight defect, unless that's a bit of dust. Huh. There's a slight defect inside that one and this engine right there. I can't tell if that's just a piece of something or that's actually a blade or something. I don't have anything to like poke at it or whatnot. That's interesting. You guys can see that right there. I'm not sure what's up with that. But anyway, it's not that huge of a deal. Rest of them all looks so good. You got the antenna at the top there and the back. You got the main upper deck cargo door right there. There's a Qatar flag and the registration A7-BFZ. And then at the back here, got this sort of the Qatar logo, which is, I forget the type of or animal this is, but yeah, there we go. That's pretty much it, guys. I'll just flip her around to this side. Got the lower deck cargo door and bulk bin door, front and back. Excuse me. And then just taking a look at the top down. At the bottom, you got the Qatar belly and the registration on the wing. Looks really, really nice. Love the Qatar belly. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. You got the antennas and everything. The gear, very nice. They don't tilt, which is one thing that NG is known for now. Just they look a whole lot more detailed and a whole lot better. They just don't tilt. They roll though, which is very nice. Yeah, that's the model, guys. A really, really nice model. Very happy to have this. Just plain livery cargo aircraft now in the collection. As I say, I may or may not sell that other one, that Phoenix Models one, in the future. We'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, so if you guys did enjoy this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos as well as other content, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.